squad, it's your girl Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. And today we will be doing a grocery haul. So if you watched my last video, I told y'all I was going to the grocery store. I go to the grocery store every Sunday, and you already know, if you've been watching this channel, you know I only shop at HEB, because if you had if you had HEB, where you at? If y'all seen the TikTok, you know what I'm talking about, but HEB over everything. So I'm just gonna get into this grocery haul. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little warning out. Y'all, I am hungry. So once I get to this watermelon, wherever it's at in this bag, I'm gonna start eating it. So if you don't like smacking, when you see that watermelon come out, you might want to check off. So just putting that out there because I am starving. On Sundays, my boyfriend and I, we do like a cardio together. So this morning we did I had made us some green juice, which is just like spinach. I can't even talk. I made us some green juice, and then we went and did tennis for like an hour. This was at 12 o'clock in Houston, so it was hot. And y'all know he's my coach for this competition at the end of October, so you know. That's another subject for another day. If y'all watched the last video, y'all heard the story how he be having me in this like extreme training. But anyways, we did tennis for an hour in the hot sweltering sun, and I had the smart idea to wear a long sleeve. I don't even know what I was thinking. And then we did his cardio that he chose today was running. So y'all already know I'm not a fan of running, honey. I'll do a nice little jog, but we was running, I was jogging, he was doing his thing. But yeah, so we did like 2 miles, a 2 mile jog. So I'm a little exhausted because I have not eaten. All I have is that green juice, which is really nothing. So that's what I'm gonna be eating when I get to this watermelon. But anyways, let's get into this grocery haul. So I was trying to find a receipt to see how much I spent. Altogether, I spent $109, I think. That was the total. So let's start with this. Oh, so this cheese is because tonight for dinner I'm making whole wheat pizza. It's literally my favorite thing to have. I love pizza. I really love Domino's thin crust pizza, but I thought this was a better alternative. So the way I make my pizzas, I'll show y'all the pizza crust. Oh, the pizza crust is right here. So I get the HEB whole wheat ultra thin and crispy pizza crust. I'm keeping that out because I'm gonna cook that. And this is just the HEB pizza blend cheese. Keeping that out. And then we have the HEB classic Caesar salad kit. So good. So good. I eat this whole thing sometimes, y'all. I love me some Caesar salad. So this is gonna be for dinner tonight. And then we have green beans, because like I told y'all, for the meal prep this week, we're doing, what did I say? I got it right here, y'all. She's prepared this time. Y'all ain't gonna catch me slipping. It ain't gonna be no rambling with Leslie today. She got her notes. No, I'm playing. Okay, so this week, so for the meal prep for lunch, I'm having grilled chicken and green beans. So that's how the green beans. I'm gonna chop them up and saute them with olive oil, mushrooms, and onions. So bomb. Let's see, and this one, I have the 100-calorie English muffins. The brand is Thomas. They sell them I got them from HEB. They sell them at Target too, and Kroger. I don't know about Kroger, but this is for my breakfast. I'm gonna have the one English muffin and a turkey sausage. I cut the English muffin down the middle, put it in the oven, and then just spray. I can't believe it's not. But first off, okay, I have enough for the week. Oh my god, I don't have any more. I can't believe it's not better. I picked this up. This is one of my favorite little snacks. First off, y'all, why was the bagger having an attitude? Like, she was just throwing my stuff in here. I'm like, girl, if you're having a bad day, just say that. Or if you hate your job, girl, quit. Like, I know we in a panoramic, but not throwing my groceries around. But I was like, you know what? It's Sunday. I wouldn't want to be working at HEB on Sunday, and it'd be packed. Sundays, it always be packed at the. Sundays, they always be packed at the grocery store. I don't know why I always choose Sunday as my day to go grocery shopping, but Sundays is kind of like my get my life day. So yeah. So anyways, y'all know your girl. Me and dairy, we just don't get along. We don't, and so I have to find alternatives. So this is the So Delicious dairy-free dip salted caramel cashew milk they're ice cream bars. They're called non-dairy frozen desserts. They're so good. I don't know why y'all can't see, like, they real good. And they also have this Bananas Foster's, like that comes in like the little pint ice cream. It's really good. It has like nuts, dark chocolate, and it's dairy free too. But if I would have got that, I know I would eat the whole thing. I'm probably gonna eat all 4 of these too, y'all. I'm actually gonna try to just have 2 and just tell my boyfriend to eat the other 2. But I know myself, I don't have very good self-control, so I was like, let me get the pint. Okay, anyways, so the next thing we have is these chicken wings I picked up from H-E-B. They're already cooked for tonight because I'm having wings and pizza. Ooh, they're looking out. And so my total was $103. $103. Child, Miss H-E-B, she gets me every week. Oh, I have this. I got this from there too. It's called Just Made. It's beets and turmeric. It's a juice. I love this brand, Just Made. Their juices are so good. I was so hungry. I had brought it. And I was like, I'm just drinking while I'm walking in H-E-B. But I was like, that's kind of ghetto, Celeste. So I didn't do it. I just brought it. And I was like, I'll drink it in the car. So that's why I was half drinking. I got this rotisserie chicken. Italian herb rotisserie chicken. Only get Italian herb. Well, the other ones might taste good too. I honestly haven't tried them. I really haven't. Let me put this away, y'all. Not walking off camera during the video. Oh, and I got this little Essentia water because y'all, I was thirsty. Like for some reason, my boyfriend has a problem with me taking multiple water breaks when it be hot as hell outside. And then I didn't even fill my water jug up, so I really didn't even have a lot of water to begin with. So she needs to hydrate because I'm exhausted. So anyways, Italian herb, because like I told y'all, my snack is grilled chicken with spinach. So it's gonna be the rotisserie chicken, just kind of mix it up. One is the chicken thighs in the air fryer, and then the rotisserie chicken. So this is bomb, y'all. When I used to do keto, I would buy these and I would be in the car. Like I would buy the thing, get in the car, open it up, and eat the wings. I like white meat, so I would just like pull the wings off and eat it. So I'm proud of myself that I didn't eat it because I was so hungry. But I was like, girl, you gotta do this video, the grocery haul. So that's really the only thing that kept me from eating this food, because Miss Mama would have been in, didn't go in. This is just a thing of baby spinach. See how it's all bent up? She like was putting hard stuff on top of this stuff. She was just throwing up in there. I'm like, girl. And I'm kind of OCD. Like I don't like stuff like this because they don't like sit right. So that just really pissed me off. Like, girl, if you hate your job, once again, just say that. Oh, I forgot to show y'all these waters. So I got me another can of Waterloo. First off, Waterloo is the best sparkling water ever. I always get them in line. That's the only one I get. After I leave the gym in the afternoon, I love to have a Waterloo. It's just so refreshing. It's like, it just does something to me. Got my alkaline water. This is Alkaline 88. This is the only water I drink because she has stock in this water. So I need her to do well. And because I think it also tastes better than Essentia. Well, I feel my favorite alkaline water is the Bai one, B-A-I, Bai. I don't know. That's my favorite one. But they don't sell it in H-E-B in the bottles anymore. And not all the grocery stores sell it either. I mean, the gas stations. So like when I see it, I'll get it. But I don't see it too often. That's my favorite alkaline water. Anytime you drink that, like you're going to start like burping and stuff. Like that one is like good. And then Alkaline 88, I like this one. Essentia, I like Essentia. Essentia, I'll just get it from like in the gas station, or if they have a sale. Sometimes H-E-B will have a sale on the big ones, so I'll just get the big ones. If they have a sale on it, I'll just get it. But like just day-to-day buying water, I get this. And then I got a pack of Nestle Pure Life. I'm not about to pick that up because that's still going to use all my energy. I always just keep water bottles in my refrigerator because I drink alkaline, but you know, if I have guests or my boyfriend, they be drinking that Pure Life because I don't put my alkaline water. And so then I got this. This is Suja. Can y'all see it? Girl, let me try to take my face out so it'll let it. No? No, girl, you don't want to do it today? Okay, anyways, how are we already at 9 minutes? Damn. Okay, so this is just a digestion shot. It's really just ginger with probiotics. But I love this. I love ginger, y'all. I actually cut my finger yesterday trying to make chop some fresh ginger. So that wasn't fun. But anyway. Oh! It's the watermelon! Y'all, H-E-B has the best watermelon. Look at this. Oh my god. I gotta take my Invisalign retainers out. So 1 second, y'all. I'm gonna talk to you. Cause when I tell y'all I'm about to go in on this watermelon, ooh, won't he do it? My God! Oh! Y'all, HEB has the best watermelon. But if you go to HEB and get the watermelon, only get the ones like this. They have the ones that's already like chopped up without the rim, the rind. No, you need the rind. When my grandfather was living, he lived in Mississippi, and that's the best watermelon. Every time my mom would go home in the summer, I'd be like, my granddaddy would send a watermelon back. Y'all, he passed away, so I had to just settle for Miss HB. But HB, she do good because, ooh, y'all, you know how something just hit your soul. Okay, let me go. We almost finished, y'all. That watermelon, woo, that watermelon good. Okay, this is just some trout I got because for dinner I'm gonna have fish with my cucumber salad, which is this English cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, drizzle some olive oil, drizzle some red vinegar with salt and pepper. It's so refreshing because normally after I work out, I don't really want hot food. I really like to have something refreshing. So the fish with that really mixes good, and it gives me like a little freshness and a little saltiness from the fish. Cook the fish in the air fryer. 25 minutes, 400, change your life. Skin down, put the fish in on the skin down. Child, it's so good. But I got these chicken thighs, boneless skin chicken thighs. They only have this big old pack. This is like 2, 4, 6, 8 chicken. So I'm gonna just have to take half and freeze the other half because, child, I don't need all this chicken. But anyways, that's that. What we got in here? Oh. These are for my boyfriend. These are coconut waters. I don't like coconut water, but he likes them, so I just pick these up. He said they're good. It's pineapple coconut water and mango coconut water. Tastes like throw up to me, but to each his own. But you know, it's so weird. I don't like coconut water, but I like coconut. Like coconut, like shredded coconut. Like I put that on my like what are they called? Acai bowls, or like the little coconut chips. I like those, but just coconut water by itself tastes like vomit. There's some turkey pepperonis for the pizza that I'm making tonight. Well, it's 4:40. I'm about to make this when I get off this video with y'all. And then last but not least, it's just some plasticware, because y'all already know if you coming over to Casa de Celeste, you will be eating off of plasticware, paper plates. And then this is the pizza sauce I got, Classico fire roasted pizza sauce. I've never tried this, so hopefully it's good. But I have my little seasonings that I put in there to, you know, spice it up a bit. But I just saw myself in the camera eating this, and I'm just like, girl, not being a stereotype. But watermelon is good. Like, it's so good. And like, it's so funny because y'all, I will buy this thing of watermelon, and literally like, I'll pull out of HEB. First I'll put my hand sanitizer on because you know COVID. And I don't care if y'all judge me. I don't like, I will eat it. I will literally put my hand sanitizer on, bust this thing open, and while I'm driving, I'm literally just, I'm driving. So I know people be like, look at that black girl in that car, chomping on that watermelon. Yes, it's me. Hi. My car's name is Miss Mama's. Me and Miss Mama's, we cruising with my watermelon. And by the time I make it to the house, we gone. So, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. But, yes, so that was, the grocery haul. This is all the stuff I brought. All this stuff together cost $109, and I got all or nothing. I'm like, child, I was thinking about 80, but normally I spend about, like weekly, I spend $120 on groceries, which is crazy because it's just me. Like, imagine when I have a family and children. I don't know how y'all people with kids be making it. Like, I spend $100 on just one person every week on groceries. If I had kids, they're gonna have to be on a diet. They're gonna have to contribute to this household. I don't know how young you are. But anyways, I'm really pumped about this week because I'm in game mode. So I know the last video, I did my weigh in. I was 234. I'm sorry for smacking y'all. I know that's real nasty, real ghetto, but she's hungry. I did my weigh in. I was 234. My goal this week, y'all, is when I come and do my video on Saturday, I'm trying to be like, y'all, I'm 229. I'm really trying to make it to the 220s, y'all. So if I could just make it to this 229, I would be so happy. So once again, if y'all don't see me posting, clock me, like they say on post, clock me on Instagram. Be like, girl, where's your post? But wait till the end of the day. But actually, this week I'm doing fasted cardio. I'm supposed to do fasted cardio all week, so I should have something posted by 12. But if not, definitely by the afternoon. But yeah, see, I'm already getting full from this watermelon. That's the only thing. Watermelon's so good, but all that water be getting you full. And honey, I need to go in on this pizza. I was gonna say really bad. So yeah, I have a new way of cooking my pizza. You could come in pizza. It's gonna change your life. I like thin crust. I put the crust in by itself for like 10 minutes just to cook. Then I take it out. Put all the toppings. Put the pizza sauce. Put the I like to put spinach on mine. So I put the spinach, the jalapenos, and the mushrooms. Put the cheese on top of that, right? And then put the pepperonis on the top. Put it in the oven. Will change your life. Change your life. So that's that. That's just a little freebie. If you made it this far, boom, congratulations, you're welcome. You got a little freebie. Y'all, not the workout starting to work. Not her. Yes, I'm a skinny legend. This watermelon is giving me life, y'all. I'm feeling revigorated. Yesterday, I had a little TikTok thing where you put it around and it goes like this, little hoop thing. And y'all, I saw some abs coming in. I said, girl, you better be getting competition ready. But anyway, I'm not gonna bore y'all anymore. I said I wasn't gonna ramble today. We're 17 minutes in and I did ramble, so sorry. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I will be back on Saturday with my weigh-in. And y'all send prayers and good energy that your girl at least hits 229. I'm trying to hit the 220s. If we get hit to more than 220, we hit like 225 or something, girl. But anyways, yes guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys later. Bye. Not bye with my watermelon. Bye y'all.